So good morning. I'm just fixing one of my radios today. I have a slight problem with the JRC, and I'll try and demonstrate it. It's not always apparent, but when I'm tuning around, I suffer from knob drift there. You can see the knob is moving on its own. So basically, in between the knob and the plastic, on the 525, for example, you've got a felt pad to allow friction. And I suspect this one has not got one at all. So what you need is a 1.5 millimeter Allen key. Basically, this one I've already loosened, and should be able to take the knob off. Okay, there we go. So yeah, basically there is no felt pad here, there's no friction, and that's the knob. Now, a lot of these knobs are very, very difficult to remove. If you look on the forums and things, people have struggled. They've kind of seized on, so be very, very careful. This is quite a weighty knob, and it's a shame the 535 rubberized knob, but it doesn't fit. Unfortunately, this is a complete circular spindle, and the other one's a half shaft. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut a felt pad, a circular pad, and we'll put it in, and then we'll give it a try. But it's just some slight drift. The knob is quite heavy, and it tends to just move slightly after you've tuned the frequency. So very, very common problem with these JRC 525s. Most of the time the padding has been removed or it's disintegrated. So I'll come back and I'll show you the modification. Okay, so next I've cut out my piece of felt all ready to go. And I've also put double-sided tape because I don't want the felt to rub against the plastic, because that makes quite a noise when you're tuning. So I want the felt to stay in place at this point here, and just the metal of the knob to rub against the felt, just to give it some friction. I'll fit it, and then we'll test it and see what happens. So that's a felt pad all fitted, and just put the knob back on and adjust it. You can push it in and out to adjust the friction. Okay, so that's it. I've adjusted it, and perfect. There is no movement anymore. It's just enough friction. It's just on the edge of perfect. You just need to adjust it, but yeah, job done. Simple as that. Anyway, I hope that was useful for somebody, and take care, everybody. Bye bye.